And the race is on. Is a jump start beginning for Jacqueline's Diamond from the outside. Capretiosa. Thunder Ribbon moving up by the rail is Amsterdam. It's Jacqueline's Diamond leading the pack by about 3 lengths, followed by Capretiosa. Racing in third, Thunder Ribbon. Amsterdam Conqueror is racing on the outside. Then comes Louis Alexa and entry number 4, Lucky's Tower. And inside the last 700, it's Jacqueline's Diamond on the outside, Thunder Ribbon Conqueror racing on the outside, Capretiosa, Amsterdam, Louis Alexa. As they race the last 550, Jacqueline's Diamond, Thunder Ribbon Conqueror on the outside, third, Capretiosa. As they race the final corner, Jacqueline's Diamond, Thunder Ribbon on the outside is Conqueror. As they race the last 250, Jacqueline's Diamond, Capretiosa down on the inside, Thunder Ribbon Conqueror on the further outside. Jacqueline's Diamond, Capretiosa. Conqueror is on the outside, burning the tracks. Conqueror, the leader. And finally, Jesse Basilio Guse on Conqueror. Jacqueline's Diamond, Capretiosa, Amsterdam. And for your Pentafect